Hey, it's Risa from Anju Risa. Welcome to my crafting room. It's another scrunchie tutorial, and this time it's a scrunchie with pom-pom inside. Looks so cute and eye-catching. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Prepare your fabric. I suggest you to use transparent and thin fabric like organza, so we can see the pom-pom inside. Organza fabric frays easily. I burned it a little to seal the fabric edges, just passing briefly beside the fire. How do I say it? Swipe quickly? You can see the result after I burn it. Less frayed, and I'm happy! The size is 75 by 12 centimeters. Fold in half and sew a straight line. Sewing organza can be a little tricky, so I use 9/65 sewing needle. Even it's a thin fabric, it still needs to be pressed. Trust me, pressing is the key to professional looking stuff. Place the seam on the lower left. Fold the fabric to the center. We will join the seam and sew all along the fabric. Start sewing from the seam. Carefully pull the fabric so we can continue sewing. Leave a gap about 2 fingers wide. If you like making scrunchies or other hair accessories, consider subscribing and turn on the notification. You can also check out my previous videos in this channel. If you can't find something you want, leave a comment and I'll reply it with shots. Prepare an elastic band. Any size is fine. I use 18 centimeters for the length. If you have thicker hair, cut the elastic longer. To insert the elastic into the scrunchies, I use a loop turner. Purchase link is in the description. If you don't feel like buying one, safety pins are the easier tool to find. Here's how to use it. Slide the loop turner. Hook the elastic. Then hold it here. Carefully pull it out. Don't let the elastic band get twisted. We can overlap together. Then stitch to secure the elastic. We can turn the fabric inside out through the opening. Before we close the opening, prepare your pom-pom. You can use any size for the pom-pom. As you can see my white and pink scrunchies, I use smaller pom-pom for the white scrunchie and larger pom-pom for the pink scrunchie. Your handmade, your rules. Insert the pom-pom as many as you like. If it's too piled up, here's what to do. Stretch your scrunchie, shake a little, then slide the pom-pom. Keep adding the pom-poms until you have enough. I have finished adding the pom-poms. I will stretch and shake a little to spread the pom-poms evenly. To close the opening, you can simply sew a line, but I wanted to use the invisible stitch to make my scrunchie look more professional. Prepare needle and matching thread. Stitch from the inside. Hold the scrunchie like this. Sew exactly on the folds. Do it on the other side. Repeat, repeat, and repeat. If you can hardly see what I'm doing here, you can check out my previous videos on the top right. I hope it's not a big mistake to use white organza for my scrunchie. Your stitching will look like this. Pull it tight. This is my favorite part when making a scrunchie. Secure the thread. Then hide it inside the scrunchie. Cut out the thread. That's it. Our scrunchie with pom-pom is finished. Thanks for following this tutorial. If you find it useful, support me by liking and subscribing. Any questions, write in the comment below. I'll try to reply it with shots. See you in my next video. Bye!